Hello people, welcome back to Food Right Kitchen. How are you all doing with the coronavirus situation? I hope you're all staying safe, well and healthy, and I believe this shall soon be over. So let's keep staying at home, keep social distancing and the rest of it. I am so sorry that I haven't been uploading video lately, and this is due to my studying, but I promise you guys that I'm fully back again. In today's video I will be cooking coconut cream salmon pasta with King Prawns. Before I go, I have something to tell you guys about my cooking. What I'm going to be doing now is I will have a separate section where my food will be rating. I'm going to be inviting two guests to come and dine with Food Right and eat the food and give me a feedback of how the food tastes like, and also even rate me so to see where I'm lacking, where I can improve. I hope you guys will like what you see, and if you do like it, please do comment down below. Even if you don't like it, still comment down below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.